What's up and welcome to another episode of GizmoSlip. Today we're drop testing the brand new 2018 iPad Pro. Brand new design, less bezels than before. Now it has Face ID, no headphone jack. Let's find out how badly you need to have a case for this bad boy. It's gonna be freaking epic. Let's get started. 2018 iPad Pro drop test. Drop number 1. 3, 2, 1. Whoa, did it survive? Oh my god. Let's take a look at the slow-mo. Looks like it did pretty good, though the glass actually looks a little bent. That's ridiculous. All right. Okay, let's take a look. Hey, at least we don't have glass on the back. Oh, except for the camera. Ooh, the camera is looking pretty bad too. That concrete messed up that camera module a little bit. Looks like the front glass of the camera is actually okay though, but the aluminum took a lot of impact though. Taking a look at the corners now. Oh, that is so indented and also bent in just a little bit right there on that corner. Ouch. Like a chunk of the aluminum is now missing from the iPad Pro. What the heck? It's like it chipped away. Like literally just chipped away. We also have a little scuffing on this side too from the second bounce. You can see how it's actually bent a little bit. Like the glass itself is angled up and bent. Just from one drop. That is a lot of damage. Now that's a lot of damage. Drop number 2. Here we go. Dropping it in 3, 2, 1. Here comes that iPad on its sure trajectory, hits the concrete, bounces up. Looks like it took a little bit less damage actually this time. Well, let's take a closer look. All right, here it is. Let's see here. Gosh, look at the gouge in that iPad. That is ridiculous. It's bent, it's deformed, and it looks like a chunk is missing. So far in both drops, the aluminum around the camera has also taken some damage. Drop number 3, here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Let's take a look at the slow-mo. Is this a broken iPad we're looking at here? Here it comes, the impact, kaboom! Oh, and I see the display is broken. Maybe the glass is broken too, but it looks like a portion of the display is out or something in that corner just from the straight impact. The flop on the face. Oh, let's purvey the damage. The front glass actually didn't shatter all the way through. We did have damage in the front here. So since this aluminum is so lightweight, it like deformed and pushed into the screen a little bit, blacking out that corner of pixels. We're also getting this like weird line zooming down the display. That is not good. We're 3 drops in and I gotta say, I'm actually kind of impressed that it survived 3 drops onto concrete as much as it has. Drop number 4, here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Whoa, whoa. Drop number 4, here it comes. Boom. Wow. It looks like it took like the least amount of damage on drop number 4. That's kind of impressive. All right, well, let's go see how it did. Okay, let's see. Looks like the damage to these corner pixels has increased. The blacked out area is now larger, and there's a line going this way that's black for a couple inches. The back glass has not shattered yet on the camera, so that is impressive. Kudos to Apple for protecting the camera at least. This iPad is bending a lot. We've got some separation of the display right here kind of sticking out. That is pretty gnarly, but the display is working still except for that little corner piece, and the glass hasn't shattered yet. I think that's the most impressive part about this so far. I would still take a case on this bad boy though. Whoa. What was that? Look at this. You can see part of the display even though it's supposedly off. Did the display all just freak out right now? Whoa, dude. This iPad just went kaput. It was working just fine a second ago. I'm guessing like the display LCD connector or something just shorted out or like got unplugged or something, because the display was working just fine a second ago. The iPad's not working anymore. We're gonna see if we can crack the glass over the camera though with a drop. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. That was a direct impact on the glass there. Let's see how it did. Okay, here it comes. Oh, that is a perfect drop. Lands on the camera knob first thing. Okay, I don't expect that camera glass to be alive. Okay, let's check it out. Yep. Look at that. It is shattered. That back glass on the camera is also very breakable. You're gonna wanna be careful with that. Now that we have completely disabled this device, it's time to shatter the crap out of it. We're gonna do a whip action at the ground to simulate like a really, really high drop. And to see a freaking epic slow-mo shot of this 2018 iPad exploding, hopefully glass everywhere, because somehow the front glass has not cracked yet, and that is actually really impressive. Unfortunately, the LCD underneath is not as durable as the glass on the front, which is pretty interesting and weird. And 3, 2, 1. Oh, holy crap. Oh my God. Here comes that iPad. Oh, it's gonna be a big one. And oh my God. I have never seen an iPad shatter that bad before, ever. Oh my, it's probably because the aluminum ring around it is just a lot weaker. That is insane. So to me, this like simulates what it would be like to drop your iPad maybe from like the top of my house, for example. Oh my God. That is just the most insane shattering of an iPad I have ever seen in my like whole life. Well, the glass wasn't shattered. I'd say now it is. That is just incredible. Let's go take a look at that iPad. This is just ridiculous, dude. Look at that. Look at that aluminum ring. It is just so flimsy. Look at how much it bent. Like, I've thrown previous iPads and it did not deform or bend like this. Get a look inside there. You can see the Face ID sensors. Inside, Face ID camera and sensors built into the top of the iPad. That's amazing. If I were to present this iPad just like this, it would actually look pretty good, just a little dinged up. But then you go like that, and you reveal the corner, it is just demolished. Can we get any power? Any backlight? Yeah, there is a backlight to the display. How is the backlight coming on at all on this thing? That is crazy. Well, there you go, a freaking iPad Pro 2018 drop test. If you did enjoy this video, be sure to go down there and hit that subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and hit that like button. We'll see you guys in the next one. Brandon, out. Wow. Done.